கேரள உள்துறை அமைச்சர் ரமேஷ் சென்னிதலா தற்போது செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்து வருகிறார். அதன் நேரடி காட்சிகளை பார்க்கலாம்.
Operation Tufan. He said that the entire Kerala Tamil Nadu border will be in totally sealed, and both the states will, the police forces of both the states will work in hand to nab those people who are trying to give or sell the drug materials in both the states. I am very thankful to the Chief Minister Vijay. He has taken a strong decision in Tamil Nadu also. He had already started a campaign against the drugs. We are very thankful to him. He promised that Kerala borders will be properly under surveillance, and both the states will definitely give informations, and intelligence informations will be passed on to each other, and there will be a coordinated effort against the drug peddlers, and awareness campaign will be undertaken by both the states together. And I also invited him, the Honorable Chief Minister, to Kerala, and our brand ambassador is Mohanlal. So Mohanlal and Vijay will be together in Kerala for a big function, and both of them acted in one film, Jilla, one film. So our brand ambassador Mohanlal and Tamil Nadu's brand ambassador, the Chief Minister, both will be there in a big function. He assured that. We are very thankful to him.
தமிழ்நாடு கேரளா பார்டரை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் எவ்வளவு பேர் அரெஸ்ட் ஆயிருக்காங்க? மெயினா பார்த்தோம்னா தமிழ்நாடு கேரளா அதிகமான இஷ்யூஸ் வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. தமிழ்நாடு கேரளா பார்டர்ல அரெஸ்ட் ஆனவங்க எத்தனை பேர், எத்தனை வெஹிக்கிள், எவ்வளவு இது பறிமுதல் பண்ணிருக்காங்க?
No, already we started. Now, coming days you will get the details. Already a DGP was there in Kerala. Tamil Nadu DGP was there in Kerala in a meeting. All the 5 state DGPs were there. So now we are working in a coordination so that this can be checked. And also last week I met Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, D.K. Shivakumar. He also promised that he will help us in the Karnataka borders. They will help us. So a coordinated effort by all the southern states will definitely improve the situation, especially the youngsters. They are targeted. The school-going students are targeted by this mafia. Not only students, the college-going students, both girls and boys were targeted. And I requested Honorable Chief Minister to speak for the students and the youngsters. He is the most important leader for the youngsters in Tamil Nadu. If he speaks, all of the South. If he speaks, the youngsters will follow. So he assured me that he will speak, and he has already undertaken a run, a marathon started against drugs. So drug is the biggest enemy for the youngsters and the country and the state. So we are together to fight against this menace.
So what sort of steps will be taken?
Yes, central government, the central Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, has called a meeting of the DGPs on 26th of June. That is anti-drugs day. And he has made a program for that also. And the Chief Minister Vijay ji told me that a coordination committee of the southern states will be there, in which Home Minister will be participating. He will raise all the issues on this. It was already done, 26th of June. It has been done. As per the central government's direction also, we are doing it.
Sir,
Operation Tufan is very successful narco hunt in Kerala. So we sought the help of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister for the successful program, successful fight against the drug mafia in the state.
மத்தபடி பார்க்க போறீங்களா? அண்ணாமலை கூட ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டார். போதை அண்ணாமலை ஸ்டார்டட்
the BJP, ex-BJP leader Annamalai. He has started a...
It's good. Everybody should do this. All parties cutting. Yeah, he is my friend. I am not meeting him, but everybody, all political parties should come forward. This is a menace, and this is against the country. We have to wage a war against drugs. My friend Praveen Chakravarti is helping us to meet the Chief Minister and all others All the other ministers were the revenue minister was there, then PWD minister was there, irrigation minister was there. With his help, we could able to meet everybody and we could address, request the leaders, ministers to address this issue. We are very thankful to Vijayji for giving us time, and he called all the police officers and secretaries, and there's a fruitful discussion on this. All the DGP and all other police important officials, secretaries were there in the meeting. They were promised that they will be doing a good job to curtail or stop this drug peddling in the state of Tamil Nadu and Kerala.
Sir, ports happens to be the primary spot of distribution of this drugs in the
Source is important. You are correct.
Exactly.
Source.
What sort of steps will be
Port.
initiated for monitoring the ports?
No, ports, airports, and trains, all the important areas where will be surveillanced. Surveillance will be there. We made a plan out of that. I don't want to divulge everything to you. Then it will be helpful for those mafias. So that I cannot tell you that. But we are very serious. All the 5 states are very serious, and we will fight against the menace of drugs. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lord, sir.
Kerala.